the galaxy, hundreds of billions of stars, numbers of galaxies, hundreds of billions of galaxies. So we're talking about hundreds of billions of planets. Oh my, and if we start to survey some of these planets, and one after the other, we just sort of find no evidence.
The Fermi Paradox, pondering the absence of extraterrestrial life, has baffled us for years. Scientists now claim to have answers, but they're disheartening. As we explore these revelations, consider, are we truly alone in the universe? And what does that mean for our cosmic aspirations? The Fermi Paradox has long been a thought-provoking puzzle in the realm of astrophysics and astrobiology. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox revolves around the apparent incongruity between the high probability of extraterrestrial life in our galaxy and the conspicuous absence of any contact or evidence of such civilizations. For decades, this paradox has captivated the minds of scientists and space enthusiasts alike, sparking endless debates and speculations. However, recent scientific developments have shed new light on this conundrum, and the revelations are far from uplifting. Researchers and astronomers have begun to propose unsettling solutions to the Fermi Paradox, and their findings have left many in the scientific community feeling somewhat disheartened. One of the prevailing theories that seek to explain the silence in our cosmic neighborhood is the Great Filter. This concept posits that at some point in the evolution of intelligent civilizations, there exists a formidable and insurmountable obstacle or bottleneck that prevents most societies from progressing to the point of interstellar communication. It suggests that we may be approaching this filter ourselves, and if so, it's a grim prospect for the future of humanity. Another unsettling possibility revolves around the idea of self-destruction. Some scientists postulate that advanced civilizations tend to develop technologies and behaviors that lead to their own demise, such as nuclear warfare or environmental degradation. This theory suggests that the absence of signals from extraterrestrial civilizations may be a result of their own downfall, a sobering thought for those contemplating our own trajectory. The notion that we might be alone in the universe, or at the very least, incredibly rare in our existence, has profound implications. It challenges our assumptions about the prevalence of intelligent life, the likelihood of interstellar communication, and the prospects of cosmic exploration. Are we truly a cosmic rarity, or is there a more optimistic explanation waiting to be discovered? In light of these unsettling revelations, one can't help but wonder about the implications for the future of space exploration and our place in the cosmos. Are we destined to remain solitary in the vastness of space, or will we uncover new evidence that rekindles hope for contact with extraterrestrial civilizations? The Fermi Paradox continues to be a topic of fascination and contemplation, and as scientists delve deeper into its mysteries, the answers may challenge our perceptions of our place in the universe and the future of humanity's cosmic journey. The Fermi Paradox stands as a stark reminder of our position in the universe and the mysteries that continue to elude us. For decades, scientists and thinkers have contemplated the implications of this paradox, and recent developments in our understanding of the cosmos have only deepened the intrigue. Consider the vastness of our galaxy, the Milky Way, with its hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially hosting multiple planets. When you expand that to the billions of galaxies in the observable universe, the probability of Earth-like planets capable of sustaining life seems staggering. Yet, our search for extraterrestrial intelligence has yielded only silence. The Great Filter hypothesis, which suggests a formidable cosmic challenge that prevents civilizations from advancing to the point of interstellar communication, has unsettling implications. If such a filter exists, it could be lurking ahead of us, demanding that we navigate uncharted territory fraught with existential threats. Furthermore, the idea that advanced civilizations tend to self-destruct raises sobering questions about our own technological trajectory. Are we headed down a path that mirrors the downfall of hypothetical alien civilizations? Environmental degradation, the proliferation of powerful weaponry, and other global challenges come to mind as potential hazards. As we grapple with these unsettling possibilities, we must also consider the impact on our collective psyche and our aspirations for the future. Will the Fermi Paradox dampen our enthusiasm for space exploration, or will it galvanize our efforts to seek out signs of life beyond Earth? What role does this paradox play in shaping our identity as a species and our place in the cosmic story? The Fermi Paradox, with its existential implications, also raises thought-provoking questions about our approach to space exploration and our role as cosmic ambassadors. If the universe is indeed teeming with life, why have we not encountered it? Is it a matter of time and patience, or does it suggest a profound isolation in the cosmic vastness that challenges our assumptions about the prevalence of intelligent life? Exploring the Fermi Paradox has driven us to contemplate the nature of communication and the potential limitations of our methods. Are we looking in the right places, using the right technologies, or even speaking the right cosmic language to initiate contact with other civilizations? Could advanced extraterrestrial societies be transmitting signals or using communication methods that are beyond our current understanding? Moreover, this paradox sparks ethical questions about how we should behave as a species capable of space exploration. Should we actively seek out other intelligent civilizations, even if it means potentially revealing our presence to unknown cosmic neighbors? The zoo hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations are aware of us, but choose not to contact us, akin to humans observing animals in a zoo without direct interference. If true, it raises complex moral dilemmas about our place in the interstellar community. The Fermi Paradox is not just a matter of intellectual curiosity, it is a reflection of our deep-seated desire for connection, understanding, and purpose in the cosmos. It underscores the fundamental human need to explore, discover, and answer the age-old question, are we alone? The paradox, with its unsettling answers, reminds us that the journey to understand our place in the universe is far from over, and may hold surprises that challenge our very identity as inhabitants of this pale blue dot in the cosmic sea. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the Fermi Paradox, we must remain open to the possibility that the answers lie beyond our current comprehension. Our collective response to this paradox could shape the future of humanity's cosmic exploration, our understanding of the universe, and ultimately, our place in the grand tapestry of existence. The Fermi Paradox beckons us to explore the cosmos with a sense of humility and introspection. It reminds us that our quest for extraterrestrial life isn't merely a scientific endeavor. It's a reflection of our collective identity and aspirations as a species. It challenges us to confront existential questions about the nature of life, intelligence, and the cosmos itself. One profound implication of the Fermi Paradox is its potential impact on our worldview and belief systems. The prospect of being alone in the universe or being isolated by cosmic filters can be disheartening for those who have long hoped for contact with otherworldly civilizations. It raises questions about the significance of human existence and the purpose of our journey through the cosmos. How do we find meaning in a universe seemingly devoid of cosmic companions? Moreover, the paradox encourages us to reflect on the state of our own planet and the responsibility we bear as stewards of Earth. If other civilizations have indeed faced self-destruction due to their technological advancements, it underscores the urgency of addressing global challenges such as climate change, nuclear proliferation, and environmental degradation. The Fermi Paradox serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the consequences of recklessness and short-sightedness. The search for answers to the Fermi Paradox also fuels innovation and scientific exploration. It pushes us to develop advanced technologies and methods for detecting extraterrestrial life, expanding our understanding of the cosmos in the process. It fosters interdisciplinary collaboration and drives research in fields like astrobiology, astronomy, and physics, stimulating intellectual curiosity and breakthrough discoveries. The Fermi Paradox also beckons us to consider the profound implications for our long-term survival as a species. If advanced civilizations tend to self-destruct, as some theories suggest, it underscores the critical importance of responsible and sustainable stewardship of our planet. This realization urges us to look inward and address pressing global challenges, making informed decisions to ensure the future viability of humanity. Furthermore, The paradox challenges us to think beyond the boundaries of Earth. It underscores the need for humanity to become a multiplanetary species, spreading our presence beyond our home planet as a form of insurance against potential cataclysms. The drive to establish colonies on Mars and other celestial bodies takes on added significance when viewed through the lens of the Fermi Paradox, as it may represent a crucial step in preserving the human species. The Fermi Paradox also encourages us to consider alternative explanations for our lack of contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. Perhaps our understanding of the universe is limited, and there are dimensions or forms of life that exist beyond our current grasp. This opens the door to the exploration of unconventional possibilities, such as parallel universes or higher dimensional beings, challenging the boundaries of our scientific knowledge. Ultimately, the Fermi Paradox serves as a testament to the inexhaustible curiosity and determination of humanity. It reminds us that the quest for knowledge and understanding knows no bounds, and even when faced with unsettling answers, we persist in our pursuit of truth. The paradox inspires us to dream, explore, and push the boundaries of our understanding, for it is in this journey that we find meaning and purpose in our cosmic existence. As the video comes to an end, the Fermi Paradox challenges our cosmic perspective, urging us to navigate existential questions, foster responsible stewardship of Earth, and pursue a relentless quest for understanding in the vast cosmos.